Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a fully animated scrolling website from scratch using AI. The best part is it is completely free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the entire website you're seeing right now, including the animations, the visuals and the code, is created just by giving simple prompts. So we are going to use Google's Antigravity to build this website. Now we are going to create this website in just 6 steps. The first step is to install Antigravity on your computer. Just go to antigravity.google and download the application based on your OS and install it. Once you have installed Antigravity, just open it. Now you will get a screen like this. Here select Agent Driven and click Next. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So just click here and sign in. Now this is how it will look. So once you have installed Antigravity, we can go to step 2, which is to create a project in Antigravity. So to start using this tool, we need to create a project. So just click here and then choose a folder. So this is where all your website files will be created and saved. I'm going to create a new folder and name it as perfume and select it. Once you have created the project, let's go to the third step, which is to create the product video. Now this is the video we are going to use in our scrolling website. So to create the video, first we'll generate a high quality product image and then we'll convert that into a short cinematic video. So to do this, we are going to use a tool called Flow. Flow is an AI image generation tool that can help you build high quality product images and videos. Just go to Flow and sign in with your Google account. Click New Project and then drag and drop the product image you have. So this is the product image I'm going to use. So once you have uploaded the image, just click the plus symbol and select the image here. Then enter the image prompt. So to make it easier for you, I have given the image and the video prompts in the description below. Just open it and copy the image prompt. Go back to Flow and paste it here. Now we have to enter the product details into the prompt, like the product name and the elements or the ingredients used in the products. So these elements will be shown in the video, so make sure you enter elements properly. Once you have entered that, click here and select the image variations you want to create. I'm going to select 3 and click here. As you can see, the tool has generated the images. Now you can go through it and select the one you want to use. So I'm going to select this one. So once you have the image ready, let's create the product video from this image. So to do that, just click here and select video from here. Now to create the product video, we need these 2 images, the start image and the end image. We can keep the start image as the empty background and then set the final product image as the end, so that the video starts from a plain background and then ends with the final product image. So let's create the empty background first. So open any image which you have created and then remove all the elements from the image and keep only the background. As you can see, the background image is created without the product. Select this as the start image for the video. And for the end image, we'll select the final generated product image. Okay, so once you have selected these images, let's go back to the prompt document, copy the video prompt and paste it here. So like we did before, let's fill in the product details. Then click here and select the number of video variation you need. As you can see here, Flow is using VU 3.1 model to create the video. So it has 2 options, 3.1 fast and quality. The fast option uses lesser credits to create the video, whereas the quality option uses higher credits, but the results will be great. Right now, Flow is providing 150 free credits for each account per month. So I'm going to use the fast option. So let's select that and click here. As you can see, Flow has started to generate the video and it's done. So let's have a look at these videos. Now all the 3 videos really came out well, and I'm going to select this one. So just click here and it will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, now we have successfully created the product video. Okay, so let's go to step 4, which is to convert the video into frames. So to create the scrolling website, we need to convert the video into frames. So as we scroll the website, instead of playing the video normally, the video will appear frame by frame, which can make a smooth animation effect to our website. So to create it, we are going to use a tool called EasyGIF. So let's open a new tab and search for EasyGIF video to image converter and click the first link and upload the video. Here select the frame rate. I am going to enter or select 30, which means for each second 30 frames will be created. So then click convert to JPG and we have got the frames now. So let's click here to download the zip folder and then extract the zip file. Okay, now that we have converted the video into frames, let's go to step 5, which is to add these frames into our project folder. So only when we add the frames into a project folder, Antigravity will make use of it and create the website for us. So let's open the folder which we created and then create a new folder called public. Now copy the extracted folder which has the video frames and paste it inside the public folder and rename it as frames. So once you've added the frames into the folder, let's go to the final step, which is to create the animation website. So to create the website, open the prompt document. Here you can see that we have the one-shot prompt for our website. Let's open that. And then here enter your website details in this place. So you can add all the information you want to add in your website here. Once you have entered that, copy the website prompt. Go back to Antigravity and then paste it here. As you can see, Antigravity starts analyzing the prompt and generates a plan to build the website. So just click proceed to continue. So it will now start writing the code and creating all the required files for a website. During this process, it may ask for permission to run few actions. So let's just click run. You can also see this prompt a few more times. You can keep clicking run or click here and select run every time to allow it automatically to run. Sometimes you might also get error like this while generating the files. No need to worry, just click retry and it will continue from where it ended. Now Antigravity has completed all the steps and built our animated website. So we can view the website by going to this localhost URL. So just copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, our website has been built successfully, but we have some issues, like we have some empty spaces here, and then the scrolling animation doesn't appear immediately when the website loads. It just appears only when we scroll back to the top. So now to fix this, we can take the screenshot of the places where the changes are needed and go back to Antigravity and paste the screenshots and describe the issues in a line and send it. So now Antigravity will analyze the problem or the issues and automatically update the code to fix it and will notify us. If we go back to the local host and refresh it, we'll have the website ready now. Let's scroll and see. Okay, now it works fine and the animation also looks good actually. So now we have successfully created the scrolling animation website and we have it locally on our computer. Now to make it live, we need to have a hosting and then upload our website there. But if you wanted to host it for free, we can use Netlify. So we'll ask Antigravity itself to give us the instructions to host it on Netlify. So let's go back and then ask how to host it on Netlify. So you can see it has given the step-by-step guide. Just you can follow them manually, or if it asks to run it itself, just enter yes and it will do it automatically. So once the build is complete, Antigravity will generate an out folder. This folder will contain all our files. So we just need to upload this folder to Netlify and our website will be live. So let's go to Netlify. Sign in with the Google account. Now click Netlify drop and then drag and drop the out folder from our project folder. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded and they've got the website URL here. So just open it. So you can see we have got the same website we have on our Hopper host. So that's it guys. This is how you can create a scrolling animation website using Antigravity for free. Now if you want to learn more about video generation on Google Flow, leave a comment below. I'll make a video on that as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.